Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel where I post videos about mobile earning apps, websites, cryptocurrencies, and many more to help us earn extra income. For today's video, I'm gonna share another mobile earning app that we can use to earn up to $500 or even $1,000 a day, all for free. Ang pangalan ng app na ito ay Daily Raffle. Free download siya sa App Store at sa Play Store. Tignan natin kung paano tayo kikita dito. After we download the app, we have to register using our Gmail, Facebook, or mobile number. Then verify. We will be redirected to their homepage. And in this gear icon on the right, we can see here the rules. It says, if you get the first 4 numbers in the same order, you win $10. Get the first 5 numbers in the same order, you win $50. And of course, if you're the only one who got 6 numbers in the same order, you win $500. If not, then the prize will be divided between the winners. Well, fair enough. We can also see here the number of tickets we have entered and the amount we have won. We can enter up to 50 tickets per draw for more chances of winning. That's cool. We can get enough tickets by watching advertisements when we click this Get a Ticket button here. And this is the page where we pick our 6 lucky numbers. We may also want to try tapping this quick pick, and the system will auto-generate 6 lucky numbers for us. Then tap Add Ticket. Since the result has been generated before the draw starts, they provide hints, so you might want to check this bell icon over here. Look, for draw 306, this is the hint. Can you guess which one? One of the numbers is 4. You might want to include number 4 in your lucky pick. Down here are the tickets you have entered, the results from the previous draw, the winners, and your referrals. You can get 10% of the prize if your referral wins. The minimum amount here to withdraw is $100 straight to your PayPal. Try this app. It's a free download and the tickets are also free. Nilagay ko na yung link sa description box if you want to try it. I wish you good luck and thank you so much for watching. Please take care. Bye!